Hey, good day all. So, in continuing the series of construction, today in this session we are going to actually apply what we have done in previous videos, and more specifically we are going to construct triangles. However, there are different types of constructing triangle with different conditions given. So in this session we are going to construct a triangle given three sides. So let's begin. Now, in any construction, the first thing we should do is to actually draw a sketch of what we think the construction will look like. So in this first case, we have construct an equilateral triangle of sides 8 centimeters. Now, an equilateral triangle is a triangle where all the sides are equal. So let's just draw a triangle and all the sides will be equal. Now bear in mind, this is just a simple sketch and this is how it's supposed to look. Alright, now we didn't say to label anything, so we wouldn't put in any fancy labels or anything like that. So the first thing first, we have to construct our baseline. Now we draw our line longer than needed. So I will call this my baseline here. Wonderful. Now, with the use of my ruler and compass, I am going to measure 8 centimeters long. Wonderful. So I position my compass at the start of the line and I draw my baseline 8 centimeters long. Now anywhere along here is my triangle base. So from here, from the start to where I draw my small arc will be 8 centimeters. Now I want to draw now this part of the triangle that is also 8 centimeters long. But when we draw it, we do not know exactly where this line will fall. So let us draw our arc that is continuing. Wonderful. So now the base of the triangle is already 8, and now the second line or the second side will fall anywhere along this arc. So the distance from this line here, the start of the line, to anywhere along the arc will be 8 centimeters. Now position the point of the compass at the end of the baseline, which will be here, and I simply draw a small intersecting arc. Wonderful. And finally, with the use of a ruler, I join my triangle. And that is my equilateral triangle. And to finish it, I simply put in my dimensions. Means all these three sides are equal, and I put in 8 centimeters. And that's it there. Now we have just constructed an equilateral triangle of sides 8 centimeters long. So let's do the next one. Construct a triangle ABC where AB measures 9 centimeters and AC equals BC, which is equal to 5 centimeters long. So let's draw a sketch. We know, of course, it's a triangle, and the base AB is 9, while the other two sides are 5 centimeters each, which means this triangle will be an isosceles triangle. So here will be A, B, C, AB is 9, and AC equal BC, which is equal to 5 centimeters. And that's how our construction will look like. So as usual, let's draw our baseline. We draw it longer than needed. And we want the baseline to be 9 centimeters long. Wonderful. So we draw our baseline. So we position the point of the compass at the start of the line, and we draw a small arc simply to mark off the baseline of the triangle. Now, our triangle, the baseline will be from the start of the line to where the arc has been drawn. Finally, let us draw now the sides 5 centimeters long. So again, position the point of the compass at the 0 marking. Open the compass to the required length. In this case, 5 centimeters. So, position the point of the compass at the start of the line again, and let's draw our arc. Now, when we're doing construction, bear in mind that you want it to look as neat as possible. So now the 5 centimeter line, obviously it will not meet here, but what will happen, it will meet somewhere around here. So we draw a long arc, signifying that anywhere along this line, anywhere along the arc, to the start of the line will be 5 centimeters long, and position the point of the compass to the end of the triangle baseline, not the end of the line, at the end of the triangle baseline, and we mark off our 5 centimeters. Wow, it's a little bit shorter than expected. So it didn't meet up here, but the both lines will meet right there. So we join the triangle, ensuring it passes through the intersection point. Wonderful. And we label the dimensions. Here is A, B, C, 9 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters. There we go. We have just constructed an isosceles triangle. So let's do one more now, and we are going to construct now a scalene triangle. So let's see. Now notice I skipped this one here because previously I said YZ will be 10 centimeters. However, our compass here cannot exceed 9.5. So that cannot be erased. So I will rewrite construct a triangle XYZ such that YZ equal 8 centimeters, XY equal 6 centimeters, and XZ equal, let's go with same, let's say 4.5 centimeters, sorry. Right. So we need our compass and ruler. Bear in mind, for any exam or any construction, with the use of your actual compass, it can exceed 10 centimeters. So if you want, you could try doing that sketch after this tutorial, after this video. Alright, so first thing first, let us draw our sketch. We know we're drawing a triangle, so YZ, let's just be YZ, it's 8 centimeters. This line will be 6 centimeters, and here will be 4.5 centimeters. So let's see to label it properly one time. Here is Y, here is Z, and obviously the remaining vertex will be X. So let's see if the dimensions fit. YZ will be 8 centimeters, XY will be 6 centimeters, and XZ will be 4.5. Yes, the dimensions fit perfectly. So first thing first, we draw a baseline. So open the compass, to 8 centimeters. So that is my line YZ. Next, I am gonna draw the side 6 centimeters. So again, now measure off the 6 centimeters. Yes, that's 6 centimeters. Again, position the point of the compass. Wonderful. And now let's measure 4.5 centimeters. Position the point of the compass at the end of the baseline, and we draw our intersecting arc. Wonderful. Finally, join the intersection points now to the start and the end of the line. Now, as you can see here, in my triangles, they are exceeding the intersection point, and nothing is wrong with that. because in any construction you must leave your construction lines, and well, those are also part of my construction lines. And to wrap up, we simply label the triangle and insert the dimensions. Here is Y, here is Z, X, wonderful. And we have just finished constructing a triangle given 3 sides. Now it is very simple, with practice it becomes even easier to remember. Alright, so we'll wrap up there for now, and bear in mind you can actually try this one here now. So construct a triangle XYZ such that YZ equal 10 centimeters, XY equals 7 centimeters, and XZ equal 5 centimeters. Ciao.